Do you know the Helpdesk Workspace on HubSpot? Today, we're going to show you how you can improve your customer service.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experten. Presented by WPWA Digital.
The Helpdesk Workspace gives you everything you need to enhance your customer service. The Helpdesk is a central place where you can connect your communication channels and manage your tickets. With the Helpdesk, you have the entire support process in view. Your support agents can respond to tickets and organize them by priority. Only as a super admin or a user with a server seat do you have full access to all features in the Helpdesk. Other users only have limited access to the Helpdesk. Let's take a closer look at the Helpdesk. When you access HubSpot, you'll find it on the left in the menu bar under Workspaces and your Helpdesk. If you connect your channel to the Helpdesk, you will see all incoming messages there. All messages that come in through connected channels automatically create tickets in the Helpdesk. On the left, you'll find an overview of different ticket views. For example, all open tickets, tickets assigned to you, or tickets that haven't been assigned yet. HubSpot creates these views automatically, but as an admin, you can also add additional views here. The keyword search is very handy. This lets you search for important keywords in the tickets. In the middle column, you can see all incoming tickets. When you click on a ticket, the conversation opens up, and you can see which channel the ticket came in through. You can see the customer's message and reply directly from the Helpdesk. Just type your response in the text field. To make your work easier, you can highlight the text and have it rewritten by AI. You can also expand, shorten, and change the tone of the text. You can also create text templates. You can find them under snippets. That saves time and avoids mistakes. If you want to know how to create and use such text templates, check out our video on that. You can also choose the channel you want to reply through. Under comments, you can write internal messages to your colleagues that only your team can see. In the right column, you'll find important information, like linked contacts, deals, and stored documents. If you don't see this bar, click on the small eye icon in the top right corner to show or hide it. Connect channels with the Helpdesk. You can connect the following channels to the Helpdesk and thus receive tickets: email, chat, forms, calls, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your email. To connect a team email address, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select the Helpdesk under Inbox and Helpdesk. To connect the email, click on Link Channel and select Link New Channel. Then you select the category Team Email. Now you need to choose the option that fits your email account. This can be Gmail, Office 365, or another email account. If you're using a Google Group account or an email alias, choose Other Email Account. This is how you can forward emails to the Helpdesk. Let's say we're choosing an Office 365 account now. Select the email account and log in with your credentials. Do you want to automatically forward incoming emails to specific employees or teams? You can set that up with routing rules. However, you can only use this option if you have the Service Hub Enterprise license. With this license, you can set routing rules directly based on the skills of the employees. If you have a Service Hub Professional license, you can create a workflow for yourself to automatically route your emails. Stay tuned, because we're going to show you how to do it. Do you like the video so far? Show us with a like. If you don't want to miss anything, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell. To work with routing rules, you need to have already connected an email or another channel to the Helpdesk, as we showed you in the first half of this video. The employees you want to involve all need a Service Hub Enterprise seat and access to the Helpdesk, and they must be assigned to a team in HubSpot. To start, you need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your HubSpot account to open the settings. In the left menu, you'll then navigate to the forwarding section, where you set up the management of the routing rules. Next, you go to Manage Skills, which is located in the top right. Here you can create new skills or edit existing ones. These skills can be, for example, language skills or specific expertise that are important for handling the tickets. Once you've set up the skills, you should assign them to the appropriate users. To do this, go to the menu, select Users and Teams, choose a user, and assign them the appropriate skills. Here you can define both primary and secondary languages as well as specific expertise. Then you go back to the forwarding section and click on Create Rule Set. Give the rule set a name, select the corresponding email or form channel, and define the conditions for forwarding. For example, you can set it up so that tickets with certain keywords are forwarded to agents with the corresponding skills. Finally, you save the rules and arrange them in the desired order so that the tickets are automatically routed according to these rules. This process helps you ensure that the tickets are efficiently distributed to the most suitable employee. Workflow. And we're going to show you how to create your own routing roles in workflows. To do this, first go to the automation section and select workflows to create rules for routing. In the next step, you'll create a new workflow by clicking on Create Workflow and selecting a ticket workflow. For the trigger, you choose Ticket Status New. Here, I'm already adding a time delay of a few minutes so that I can include tickets from a previous workflow later. After that, you can insert a branching that creates a split based on the different options of the property. For example, the tickets are divided here by their category. When you click on the plus sign, you can assign a task to the responsible employee in HubSpot. So, if an employee is responsible for tickets in the category of product issues, a task will automatically be created for them, and they'll receive a notification. Now I'll show you how to fill the category with values. In another ticket workflow, you can directly extract the subject from an email and have the category property automatically filled in. For this, you need the trigger Ticket Status New. You can also add a branching here. In this example, the subject is taken from the email subject line, which you can add manually. The next action is called Set Property Value. This is where the property from the previous workflow comes into play. You select the property category and set the value, for example, to Feature Request. To make sure the ticket is distributed to the right employees, you link this workflow to the first one by going to the workflow and selecting the appropriate workflow. If your tickets are not captured through an email, through a form, you can simply ask for the category. Then you don't need a workflow that overrides the properties. You'll learn how to set up routing rules when a ticket is captured by a chatbot in this video. Once you've set up all the options, you can activate the workflow. From this point on, all new requests that meet the specified conditions will be automatically assigned. The automated routing rules in HubSpot help you make the process more efficient and ensure that every customer receives the best possible support. And that's it? Now you know how the help desk works in HubSpot. You've successfully connected your email and automated it with routing rules. The work in the help desk can now begin. If you have any more questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments or visit our website to schedule a personal conversation.